Sagittarius was drowning, or suffocating. He didn't know which. He was struggling to breathe in the womb fluid of his coffin, each inhalation coming with the coppery taste of blood and a sour tang of oil. Whatever was left of his physical form, even Sagittarius had never been sure how much of himself remained inside the coffin, banged and thumped inside the life support sarcophagus, sloshing in the amniotic fluid but no longer submerged within it, leaking. That thought held primacy in the darkening light of his perceptions, crippled, hurt, leaking. He faced ahead, trying to raise arms that wouldn't obey. He had to pull himself out of the monster's tendrils. His weapons clunked, devoid of ammunition for hours. His chassis, alive with warning readings for so long already, was held together only by dumb luck. Yet, he'd charged the Archimandrite, limping and bleeding, and ammo-starved. He'd charged it as it stepped over the dead knight. There had been no choice. Its cannons were devastating and faltering Imperial lines. Only in death does duty end. Sagittarius Malacu served as a venerable dreadnought of the Custodian Guard during the Great Crusade and Horus Heresy. Among the first 30 members of the Golden Host created by the Master of Mankind, this veteran of the Emperor's personal honor guard during the Unification Wars took part in myriad battles against the techno-barbarians of ancient Terra. Fighting during the Battle of Red Frost against the Morlansen Confederacy of Scandinavia's Nordic province, this deployment alongside thousands of Thunder Warriors would end with the Emperor signaling his forces to advance using Sagittarius' own Guardian Spear. Achieving victory despite being outnumbered 7-1, Witchkin, rabid zealots, and genetically altered warriors fell in droves to defend their Priest King, to no avail. Morlansen captured by the Custodian Guard at the battle's conclusion. Personally executed by the Master of Mankind himself, the head of Priest King Morlansen was held aloft by Sagittarius, the Emperor sarcastically chiding him for his show of barbarity, to which he replied simply, "Exultant in victory, my king." The first custodian to be mortally wounded by virtue of his temper, and thus requiring internment into a Contemptor Dreadnought chassis. The words, "Only in death does duty end," would be inscribed unto his panoply, personally by the Master of Mankind. Armed with a gigantic combi power fist, fitted with a plasma gun, and Kerry's pattern assault cannon in his remaining mechanized arm, this enormous veteran of the Moritoi would slumber for many years following unification, awoken only when necessary. Deployed to aid the Emperor's defense of the Imperial Webway project following the breach of its confines by the Thousand Sons Primarch, Magnus the Red. As the war within the Webway raged, Sagittarius proved his valor 1,000-fold as he fought to preserve his master's long-fought dream. Fighting as part of Ra Endymion's squad, Dynasties, regarded by the Emperor as the Lords of Terra due to their shared blood descended from long-dead Terran nobility. After 5 years of battle within the tunnels of the Webway, their numbers dwindled from 20 to 12 souls. Injured during his battle against the possessed Archimandrite construct by the primordial entity known as Drak Nien, though saved thanks to the efforts of the Mechanicum savant, Arcan Land, no record pertains to his service hereafter. The fate of the first of the honored dead who walk, unknown to this day. Regardless of his fate, this towering figure set the precedent for all Dreadnought warriors to follow, whether they be Astartes or Custodian in nature.